Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my presentation for Week 2's discussion. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss a variety of topics. First, I'm going to share my topic for professional development and why I chose it. Then, I'm going to discuss how it aligns to ISTE essential conditions and standards. I will also describe the importance of my topic for educators and also some ideas of what I will be presenting about. The topic on which I will be focusing my professional development and district technology training will be implementing technology and student-centered learning. As a teacher at AACPS, I decided to check out our district's website on instructional technology. With the catchphrase being engage, learn, apply, coupled with ISTE's essential condition on student-centered learning, I knew that this would be a topic that I would like to delve into. I feel that one of my strengths in teaching is creating student-centered activities, and this is something that I could share with my colleagues of all levels. To be honest, I felt overwhelmed at the idea of creating a professional development. What is something I could offer to other teachers? Furthermore, other teachers at varying levels. Even more, what is something that I care about sharing with others? Reviewing ISTE's essential conditions and standards really helped me narrow down my ideas. Providing a professional development on implementing technology and student-centered learning aligns with ISTE, as I will provide ways to use technology to differentiate teaching approaches and activities. This plan will align to ISTE's Technology Coach standards in a multitude of ways. By providing professional development on implementing technology and student-centered learning, it will allow me to coach teachers in and model design and implementation of technology-enhanced learning experiences. As a technology coach, I'll be able to model effective classroom management and collaborative learning strategies, and finally, design, develop, and implement technology-rich professional learning programs. Technology implementation and student-centered learning are very beneficial to both students and teachers. It creates an innovative environment that isn't mundane and allows students to succeed in a personalized way. Both teachers and students will feel empowered with their new technological and collaborative skills. One idea that will be discussed in the technology plan is teaching with Google Maps. Teachers can create a map for students to explore and participate in a virtual field trip. Students can explore at their own leisure, visiting places of their own interest, guided by sites that the teacher pins in their map. Students can even explore different sites using Google Street View. This is a Google Street View taken from Parque Güell in Barcelona, Spain. I chose this because I teach Spanish. This can be a great enhancement as it will generate more student interest in the topic, thus giving them more of an opportunity to succeed. While students explore Google Maps on their virtual field trip, the teacher could even implement small group instruction for students that may need extra help. Professional learning provides many benefits and positive outcomes. Educators will have more opportunities to extend student learning, all of which are endless. With professional learning, with a focus on technology, teachers will be able to collaborate with those outside of their schools, and furthermore, we can receive personalized help and guidance. The bottom line is that opportunities for educator success are limitless with technology. Thank you all for watching, and feel free to leave any comments or questions in the comment area. Thank you.